Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial and product update showing you the new presence indicator at the top bar, as well as a new way that you can check who is in the call and who is actively in the space. You'll be able to notice the new indicator at the top bar next to the Start Call button. Now, as you can see, my avatar as well as one of my participants' avatars are both visible, which shows that we are both actively in the space together. If I were to start the call, I would be able to set up my audio and video settings. And then once I start the call, my avatar will move inside of the call circle. My participant will receive an invite to join. And if that participant joins, which she has, her avatar has now moved from outside of the join call bubble inside of the call bubble. If I have any other participants that join the space, they'll be outside of the bubble, the green bubble here. But if they were to join me in the call within the space, they would move into this green join call indicator. Now, if I were to leave the call without ending the call briefly, you could see that my avatar moves outside of the bubble, yet my participant's avatar is still visible within the join call bubble. If I were to rejoin the call, as shown here, you could see that my bubble moved back in. Now, as you can see, we just had another participant join the space, and you could see that their avatar is outside of the call bubble. But if I have the participant join the call with us, you could see that his avatar moved inside of the call bubble. As you can see, everyone is in the call. If I go into gallery view, I have 3 participants in the call with me and 3 participants that are in the presence indicator. That is it for today's tutorial and product update showing you the new presence indicator in Pencil Spaces. We hope that this was a helpful tutorial and that you find the presence indicator helpful when using Pencil Spaces.